Hey everybody, it's product review time. Hey everybody, it's your boy bodybyian. It's your first time on my channel. If you want training, product reviews, my battle against cancer, and much more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's go. Hey everybody, we're back with a brand new Sprezzabox for you, and let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's in here. Slide that over. Alright, here we go. Ooh, yes. So, let's see what we got in this bad boy right here. We got these cool looking Sprezza socks right here. This beautiful tie. I will take a picture of everything at the very end of this video so you can see it out of the package. But show you one little, oh look at that, it's a nice looking tie, right? So we have English Laundry Oxford Blue, so it's a cologne, pretty cool. We have a we have a phone ring. It's pretty cool right here. And we have a pocket square. Oh, this is the 51 shades, I guess, of gray. I guess more than 50 you need, huh? But this is a brand new box I haven't seen yet, but this is pretty cool. And I like all the stuff we got here, and I can't wait to wear it, actually. And like I said, it's I know it's going to be wedding season coming up, and before you know it, I'll be invited to some weddings or some gatherings, and I'll be wearing some of the stuff for you guys. But also, make sure you like, you comment, you share this video. More great stuff is happening, clanging and banging, product reviews, and also, I want to let you know, probably when you see this, I'll probably be at Fitcon in Dallas, Fort Worth area. Hopefully I see you there on April 23rd and 24th, if I'm correct. That's a Friday and Saturday, so hopefully I see you guys there. If you see me, say hello. I've seen you on your channel. Hey, I appreciate it, and that would be awesome. But also, as well, hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss a thing. And everybody, we are out.